Succession planning is notorious for being one of those things we tend to put off and forget about, often until it's too late to properly deal with it. Many of us don't like to think about the big changes in our future, and there's just so much to consider with succession planning. There's always something that seems more urgent for us to deal with. Despite that, succession planning is one of the most important tasks facing any landowner. It's crucial to the ongoing viability of a business, as well as to future family harmony. After all, dramatic life events can come without warning. When you leave major decisions about the future until too late, you often end up making them in a rush, without time for proper consideration, in a time of great stress. At that point, your options may be much more limited. First of all, communication is key. It's really important that you make sure all the relevant parties are involved throughout the succession planning process. Second, you need to make sure you've considered the tax and legal issues. For example, do you have an up-to-date will and power of attorney? Do you need to think about making gifts? Finally, once you're ready to start the conversation, it's time to bring in the experts. The best time to think about succession planning is right now, and one of the best ways to get started is with the new CLA handbook on succession planning. The handbook provides relevant and practical guidance to farming and landowning families who are making or reviewing their plans for succession. It has the detail you need to know while still being easy to digest, and focuses on the issues faced by farming and other land-based businesses. The first chapters introduce the concept of succession planning, set out the first steps in the process, and cover some of the initial considerations, such as the needs and goals of each generation involved. It then addresses issues specific to different types of business structure, relevant tax considerations, and the legal documents that may be needed, including partnership agreements, company documents, tenancies, wills, lasting powers of attorney, and trusts. With the knowledge in this handbook, you'll be equipped to start the process and understand what you need to do and the things you need to think about. Of course, no handbook can be a substitute for bespoke advice, such as from your own solicitors, accountants and financial planners, not to forget the personal succession planning advice offered by the CLA's tax team free of charge to CLA members. However, with the benefit of the information in this handbook, your conversations with those advisors will be more productive. You can get your copy from the CLA website with a special members-only discount, saving you 2/3 of the regular price. If there's anything you'd like to discuss about succession planning, contact the CLA advisors and we'll be happy to assist you.